Okay guys, I already opened the little open the whole thing. Okay, now we have this ball. And it's the instructions to open it. Mommy, do you know how to clip it? I don't. Okay guys, this is the Pokemon ball. Okay, here's the figure. It's Rioli. Rioli. Okay, now we need to open it. Okay, there it is. Look here guys. And this is the tail.